Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find your Reddit coins on your Reddit app. We will go to find this window on your Reddit. All you have to do, just go up here in this picture, you will click on up and it's going to show for you this window like this. And all you have to do, you just click here on Reddit coins here and it's going to show for you this window here and you just click here on balance here and it's going to show for you how many coins you have on your Reddit app. I have nothing here. I have 0 coins, but if you have, you will find the number here in this window, like you say now. So that's all you have to do to find your Reddit coins on your Reddit app. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about our Reddit app settings.